The World Championship standings then. Bagnaya's lead is 23 points going into tomorrow's 27-lap Grand Prix. Brad Binder, though, replaces Marco Bezzecchi in second place. Martin climbs 3 places into fourth. Marini and Johan Zarco also leaping ahead of Maverick Viñales and Jack Miller, who drops down from 4th to 8th. Alex Rins is 9th. Alex Marquez completes your top 10. And Fabio Quartararo, after another sprint blank, he now falls 54 points off the World Championship lead. Marc Marquez, of course, all of his points so far this year have been scored on a Saturday.